Okay, let's solve this question now. It is given that 3a plus 7b is equal to 118, where a and b are two natural numbers. How many pairs of values can a and b take such that a and b are co-prime numbers? Okay, so I need to search for the uh, natural number solutions for this linear equation, right? I need to find the natural number solutions for this linear equation. And then I need to find uh, out of these possible solutions, how many solutions are there where A and B are co-prime. Okay, so first I need to find the solution by using hit and trial. So first you can see, if I divide this 118 by 7, it would be 7k plus 6 kind of number. 118 is 7k plus 6 kind of number. So if I subtract 6 from this number, I should get a multiple of 7. Okay, and how can I subtract 6 from this number? When a becomes 2. So let me write these solutions as, when a is 2, 6 goes to other side, it becomes 112. So b becomes 16. 16 into 7 is 112. Now, we already know how to find the integral solutions for a linear equation, right? I need to increase it by 7. That is the coefficient of b. So I need to increase it by 7. But then I need to decrease these solutions by 3. That is the coefficient of a. So I need to decrease these numbers by 3, right? So the next solution would be 2 and 7, 9. 16 minus 3 is 13. Next solution would be 9 and 7, 16. And 13 minus 3 is 10. Next solution would be 23. This would be 23, and minus 3 would be 7. Plus 7 is 30. Minus 3 is 4. And plus 7 is 37. Minus 3 is 1. So now, yes, these are the possible solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solutions, right? And from these 5 solutions, I cannot move any further because for the next solution, I would get b as negative, but these are two natural numbers, so I cannot go further, right? So out of these, I need to check in which solution a and b are co-primes, right? 2 and 6, these are not co-prime. 9 and 13 are co-primes, so this is acceptable. 6 and 10, no, these are not co-primes. 23 and 7 are co-primes. 30 and 4, these are not, but 37 and 1 are co-prime pairs. So how many pairs of values can a and b take? So there are 3 possible cases, or 3 possible values of a and b are co-primes to each other. So correct answer would be option A.